Yeah, just point to the one you want and you will be served in the next few minutes. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, we are going to make fresh catfish pepper soup. Yeah, let's get started. Welcome back. So I've caught and thoroughly washed the fish. I washed the fish with some lemons and white vinegar. I have a video of smoked catfish. In that video, I showed how I washed my catfish. You can check the video out. Here, I'm now pouring it some hot water to stiffen the fish so that it will not scatter in the pot when I'm cooking it. After leaving it in the hot water for about 50 seconds or a minute, I'll now transfer them into the pot which I'm going to use to cook the pepper soup. After adding them to the pot, I'll now add some spices which we are using to cook the fish. I'll start with some salt, garlic and the ginger powder, some fish spice. I have some pepper soup spices there. Cameroon pepper, that's what we call that. Some minced onions, that's optional, and some fresh pepper. I will also be adding some crayfish powder, that's ground crayfish. And then I have some dry scent leaf and the oatmeal. I don't have fresh scent leaf, so I'm using dry one I have. That's scent leaf and oatmeal. Oatmeal is the bitter type, but I love adding it in my pepper soup. And then I'll add some hot water to it. Shake it to mix the whole ingredients and then put on the fire. We'll cook that for about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, this is what we have. Looking so delicious already. I'm going to add it more water. I love to add enough water in my pepper soup because I love to drink the soup. So feel free to add the quantity you like. I want to test it for salt. So delicious. I'll add it small again. This tastes so delicious. I'll just add it one seasoning cube and that will be all. By the way, my neighbor has a fish farm, so feel free to contact me if you want some of that goodness. Yes, so I'll now stir and cover the pot and allow it to cook for 5 more minutes before adding our fresh vegetable. And it will be ready. It's done. We'll now add some fresh leaf. I don't have a scent leaf, fresh scent leaf, so I have to use this. Offer gas, allow you to sear. Hello my people, and here we have our fresh catfish pepper soup ready for enjoyment. I enjoyed cooking and eating this. I hope you enjoyed watching. It tasted so delicious. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to share my video, please. Thank you. And also like and a comment. And for my new subscribers, I see you all. You are highly welcomed. May God bless you all. Love you all. Bye.